guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I will be solving some past paper questions on thermal energy stores, so let's get started. Today I will be solving question 5 part A from the October-November 2022 session, paper 4 variant 2. Figure 5.1 shows an aluminium block after leaving a furnace in a factory. The mass of the block is 1,200 kilograms and is heated in the furnace from 20 degrees Celsius to 380 degrees Celsius. The aluminium block does not melt. The specific heat capacity of aluminium is 960 joules per kilograms per Celsius. Calculate the thermal energy gained by the block in the furnace. Alright, first let's recall the equation of thermal energy. Change in thermal energy is equal to mass times specific heat capacity times the change in temperature. Next, substitute the values into the equation. Don't forget that it's the change in temperature, not the plain temperature. This is a common mistake. After substituting in the values, we get an equation of change in thermal energy is equal to 1,200 times 960 times 360. After we input that into our calculator, we get a long answer. If we round that to two significant figures, we get 410 million joules as our final answer. You can also write it in standard form if you want. That will be the end of our question. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment them down below. I'll be glad to answer.